Are you experiencing headaches, poor sleep, even irritability and anxiety? What if these symptoms could be part of a much bigger problem that's taking place inside your home right now? Electromagnetic fields are produced by every electrical and electronic device that is inside and outside your home and can cause all the symptoms we just mentioned, plus many more. This includes poor electrical wiring, power lines outside your home, microwaves, Wi-Fi routers, cell phone towers, and even ground currents that spread through your home's plumbing. Our bodies are not prepared or resilient enough to be constantly under stress by man-made frequencies. And for now, the best way to protect yourself is to reduce exposure by shielding your home, especially your bedroom. We are equipped with the industry's leading instruments, non-toxic, effective shielding materials, along with honest and professional service that can identify these carcinogens in your home or business and remove them today. www.emfhp.com